Assalamualaikum. So this week we will talk about Ester for chapter 7. Okay, so learning outcome by the end of this chapter, the student would be able to identify and understand about first the structure of Ester, nomenclature of Ester, preparation of Ester, and also the reaction of Ester. Okay, so first we go to the structure of Ester. So structure of Ester, okay, it's more like a carboxylic acid derivative structure. Okay, just we replace the OH from carboxylic acid with OR. Okay, so the general formula for ester is CnH2O2 and isomeric to carboxylic acid. This is the general structure R C double bond O O R prime. Okay. So R could be hydrogen or alkyl group or aryl group. Okay, or you can write RCOOR prime or RCO2R prime. Okay. Okay, ester are widely used in our daily application. Okay, for example, here we have aspirin. Okay, so from the structure from aspirin, we can look here. We have C double bond O O. So this our R, this our R. So this is the general formula for ester. Okay, so aspirin we use in our not daily. Okay, if you have pain. Okay, like a headache or muscle pain, mostly we take an aspirin. Okay. Second, we have methyl salicylate. See, here we can look the structure of ester C double bond O O R and R. Okay, this is the R. So this is the C double bond O O. Okay, so mostly methyl salicylate we can find in the product that give a cool effect. For example, contoh Vic kan kalau kita sapu, kita akan rasa nanti dia macam berangin kan. So that means that that product have methyl salicylate. Okay, and ester also have a pleasant odor. Okay, pleasant odor. So it will form a smell like fruit. Okay, for example, apple or banana, and also a flower. Okay, so especially those with a low molecular weight. So an ester with a low molecular weight can give a pleasant odor. Okay, so sebenarnya bau-bau contoh daripada bau pisang. Okay, bila awak ambil pisang, bau. So bau tu sebenarnya adalah datang daripada ester. Kat pisang tu kalau awak tahu the structure of the banana, so awak akan nampak adanya structure ester. Okay, so bau tu sebenarnya datang daripada ester lah yang ada pada banana. Okay, banana ke apple ke. Okay, so nanti kita akan buat eksperimen 3. Okay, kita akan synthesis and ester. So from that daripada lab tu nanti akan keluar bau, iaitu bau banana lah, bau pisang. Okay, so next. Okay, we go to the nomenclature of ester. First we go to the IUPAC name. Okay, according to the IUPAC system, the alcohol part of ester R prime. Alcohol part mana? Yang sebelah oksigen. Okay, the alcohol part adalah R yang di sebelah oksigen. So we call as alcohol part. Okay, is name first. You akan namakan dahulu yang alcohol part. For example, here we have two carbon. So if the name for the 2 carbon will be ethyl. Okay, dia macam substituent lah. So ethyl. Okay, second, okay, part yang acid. Part acid yang mana yang ada C double bond O. Okay, ni kita panggil part yang sebelah oksigen adalah part alkohol. Ini adalah part acid. Okay, so kita hanya tukarkan. Okay, dia sama naming, it same like the carboxylic acid. Okay, just cancel the ic. Okay, ic acid with ATE, add. Okay, so for example here we have 2 carbon. So 2 carbon adalah ethane. Okay, kalau carboxylic acid jadi ethanoic. Okay, now Ik ni kita buang, ik buang, IC buang. Okay, we substitute with ATE. So, akan jadi ethanoate. Ethanoate. Okay. So, gabungkan dengan yang awal tadi, part alkohol dengan part acid. So, dia akan jadi ethyl, ethanoate. Okay. Okay, for example here. Okay, example here. Nak bagi naming yang warna biru ni. Okay, so dia adalah 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, so dia adalah butin. Okay, butil. So, butil, tapi kat sini dia punya structure adalah at carbon number 1, kita ada satu substituent ni kan. CH3. Okay, dia akan jadi bentuk macam ni. So, dia nama ni adalah sek butil. Okay, lepas tu bagi nama part of acid tadi, dia akan jadi cyclopentane carboxylate. Okay, carboxylate. Ni carboxylate, ni cyclopentane. Okay, example number 2. Okay, same thing. Cari side yang alcohol. Okay, so you have phenyl. Okay, and then we have 2 carbon. Ethanoate. Phenyl, ethanoate. Okay. Number 3, for example number 3, same thing, we have benzene attached with CH2, so it will be benzyl. Okay, phenyl without CH2, but benzyl with CH2. Okay, benzyl. Okay, and then you naming the acid part. Okay, so kira macam biasalah, kira yang paling panjang parents. We have 5 carbon, so pentanoic lah selalu ya. Kalau carboxylic acid pentanoic, so dia akan jadi pentanoate. Okay, and then at carbon number 4, we have substituent. So, 4-methyl pentanoate. Okay, benzyl 4-methyl pentanoate. Okay, so number 4, same thing. We name the alcohol part CH3 methyl. Okay, and then name the acidic part. Okay, so namakan dulu kat sini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is hexanoate. Okay, but we have double bond at carbon number 4, so it becomes 4-hexanoate. Okay, and then we have substituent at carbon number 3, so it becomes 3-methyl 4-hexanoate. Okay, so for the whole structure, the name for the whole structure is methyl 3-methyl 4-hexanoate. Okay. Kita tak boleh gabungkan yang biru tu dengan yang hitam yang ni kan, walaupun dia adalah substituent yang ada methyl, but because yang biru tu adalah methyl yang terletak pada alkohol. Okay, so you cannot combine the name. Okay, tak boleh jadi dimethyl maksudnya. Okay, okay, now we have two ester in one structure. So, name the blue one first. Okay, 1, 2. Belah kanan pun ada 1, 2. Okay, so dia akan jadi di because ada 2. Okay, diethyl. Okay, part alkohol tu. And then namakan yang part carboxylic acid kan. Yang acid. So dia akan jadi berapa carbon? 1, 2, 3. So dia akan jadi propane dioate. Okay, diethyl propane dioate. Okay, diethyl propane dioate. Okay, so ini you kena make sure ya, when you see C double bond O, okay, you make sure ada O sebelah ni lah, kiri dan kanan. Baru you tahu, okay, ni adalah ester. Okay, kalau ada C double bond O kat tengah antara C double bond O, itu baru anhydride. Okay, you kena make sure you don't confuse with the anhydride. Okay. Okay, for the common name, the alcohol part is named first, derived from common name from alcohol lah. Okay, kalau common name untuk part alcohol, okay, nama dia sama macam common name dalam alcohol. But for the common name for ester is derived by common name acid, tapi hanya gantikan yang ic acid with ATE. Okay, for example here, common name for part alcohol, dia adalah ethyl. Okay, common name part for ester, okay, you ada 2 carbon. Kalau carboxylic acid, dia akan jadi acetic acid, but now it become acetate because it's an ester. Okay, just replace the IC acid with ATE. Okay, so for the whole structure, the name using the common name will become ethyl acetate. Okay, you can prepare the ester by using these two reaction. Okay, whether from carboxylic acid or from acid chloride. Okay. Okay, from carboxylic acid, so the name of reaction is esterification. So this esterification we already learned in the carboxylic acid chapter of carboxylic acid. Okay, so the reaction between an alcohol and carboxylic acid will form ester and also water. Okay, so you have carboxylic acid here, RC double bond OOR, react with the alcohol HOR. So what happened? The OH will combine with the H from the alcohol to form a water, and the OH, the place for OH is replaced by OR prime. So it become an ester. Okay, so this reaction must be conducted in acidic and also must be heat or reflux. Okay. If not, the reaction might not be occur because the carboxylic acid is not so reactive. Okay, so we have ethanol. For example, here, example number 1, we have ethanol react with ethanoic acid. So the ethanol will release the hydrogen. The ethanoic acid will release the OH to form a H2O, and the place of OH will be replaced by OCH2CH3. So it will become ethyl ethanoate. Okay. Example number 2, we have alcohol, we have methanol, react with benzoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid. So the methanol will eliminate the hydrogen. The benzoic acid will eliminate the OH. So the OH part will replace by OCH3. OCH3. So it will form methyl benzoate. Methyl benzoate. Okay, this is a benzoate. Okay. Okay, from acid chloride. Okay, so acid chloride react with alcohol and phenol to produce an ester. So does not require catalyst, even though alcohol is a weak nucleophilic, but because of the carboxylic acid is highly reactive, so does not require any catalyst. So the reaction is irreversible. Means that reaction tu berbalik. Okay, so to prevent, macam biasalah yang sebelum ni pun saya dah mention, to prevent daripada HCl react balik nanti. Okay, so you have to use pyridine as reactant. Okay, kena ada reactant pyridine. Okay, here for example, we have acid chloride react with alcohol, must be in pyridines. Okay, why using the pyridine? Supaya untuk elakkan daripada reaction tu jadi irreversible. Maksudnya reaction HCl ni react balik untuk jadikan dia balik acid chloride. Okay, kita nak elakkan. Okay, so the acid chloride will eliminate the Cl. The alcohol will eliminate the hydrogen to form HCl. Okay, so the place of Cl will be replaced by OR. So you form an ester. Okay, for example here we have acid chloride here, ethyl chloride. Okay, react with ethanol in pyridine. So the chloride will be eliminate. Okay, the hydrogen will be eliminated from the alcohol. So it will form. Okay, so to give the name, you have to give the name here first, the alcohol part, ethyl, and then here we have 2 carbon, ethanoate. Okay, so it will form ethyl ethanoate plus with HCl. Okay, next we go to the reaction of ester. So the reaction of ester we have 4. First, the hydrolysis, okay, ammonolysis, reaction with Grignard reagent, and also the trans-esterification. Okay, so hydrolysis, okay, ini actually ini kita dah ulang dah banyak kali. Okay, sebelum-sebelum ni pun dah ulang banyak kali. It means that you react with the water. Okay, so ester, if you react with the water, it will form carboxylic acid or carboxylate salt and alcohol. Okay, so hydrolysis occur in either in acidic or basic condition. The reaction with pure water is so slow. The reaction is catalyzed, okay, by dilute the acid, okay, such as HCl or H2SO4, and heat under reflux. Okay, now we have ester react with water. Okay, you have to heat because an ester is not the reactivity of ester is low, so you have to heat to make sure they have a reaction. So what happened, the OR will combine with the hydrogen to form an alcohol, so the OH will replace the OR, please, so you form a carboxylic acid. Okay, so this condition, this reaction, you can conduct in two conditions, either in acidic or in basic. Okay, so if you conduct in acidic, it will form carboxylic acid, okay, and also the alcohol. But if you conduct in the base, it will form carboxylate salt without H, okay, and also the alcohol. That's the differentiate between two conditions. Okay, next we go to the ammonolysis. So ammonolysis, actually you react with ammonia, primary or secondary amine to produce an amide and also the alcohol. So you have an ester here, react with the ammonia. So from the ester, the OR will be eliminated. From the ammonia, the H will be eliminated. So it will combine, it will form an alcohol. So the place of OR will be replaced by NH2 to form a primary amide. Okay, so if you have primary amine, okay, the first one is you react with the ammonia. So if you react with the primary amine, okay, what happen? It will happen same step like the ammonia, but the product will form a secondary amide. Okay, so ammonia react with ester will form primary amide as a product. So if you react ester with the primary amine, you will form a secondary amide. Why secondary amide? Because the nitrogen here attached with 2R. 2R. Okay, R kat atas dengan dekat C ni kan. So dia jadi secondary amide. Okay. So the third one, you react with ester react with the secondary amine. Secondary amine. So it will form tertiary amide. Tertiary amide. Okay. So kat sini nitrogen. Okay. Dia ketiga-tiga bonded dia bond dengan ketiga-tiga bond dia bonded dengan alkyl. R. Yes, alkyl lah. Okay. So it form a tertiary amide. Okay, example here we have ethyl ethanoate react with ammonia. Okay, the oxygen will be eliminated. The oxygen, the alcohol part will be eliminated. Combine with the hydrogen to form the ethanol. To form an ethanol. Okay. So, the place of oxygen here will be replaced by NH2. NH2 to form an amide. Okay? To form an amide. Primary amide. Okay. Next, we go to the Grignard reaction. Grignard reaction. Okay? We have an ester here. And also the Grignard reagent RMGX in acidic and also in ether. Okay, so what happened? The OR will be eliminated and will be replaced by R from the Grignard reagent. Okay, so the Grignard reagent, kalau ikut dia punya mekanisme macam biasalah mekanisme, the Grignard reagent will be attack the carbon from C double bond O. So the oxygen will eliminate the double bond O. So nanti dia akan buang OR. Okay? OR. Okay. So to balance the oxygen, it will become OH. Okay? So R tu akan jadi akan jadi ada 3. Kenapa 3? Sebab kat sini ada 2. Maksudnya akan nanti serangan tu 2 kali lah ya. 2 kali. Okay, serangan 2 kali. Because you have 2 RMGX. So, R ni datang pada mana? R ni datang daripada 2 RMGX. Okay. So, it will form ROH. Okay, tertiary alcohol and also the ROH. So, Ester react with 2 granite reagent, it will form tertiary alcohol and also alcohol. Okay. For example, here we have metapropanoate, because they have 3 carbon here. Metapropanoate react with granite reagent. So what happens? CH3 will attack this carbon. The double bond will be break and the OCH3 will be eliminated. So it will form CH3OH. Mana datang H? H datang daripada acid. Okay. So nanti dia akan serang 2 kali. Serang 2 kali ya. Serang 2 kali. So that's why dia form 2 CH3 kat sini. Dan oksigen tu akan combine dengan hidrogen yang datang daripada acidic ni. Okay. So it will form 1, 2, 3. So 2, 2 dimethyl propanol. Okay. 2, 2 dimethyl propanol and also methanol. Okay, next we go to the trans-esterification. Okay, so what's mean of the trans-esterification? Means that from ester you form a new ester. Daripada ester react dengan alcohol to form a new ester. Maksudnya daripada ester nak form ester balik. Okay, so that's mean of the trans-esterification. Okay, so to form an esterification, you have to use ester, react with the large excess of alcohol in acidic condition. Okay, and heat it. Okay, kena heat kan. So what happen? The OR prime here, prime, okay, akan react with the hydrogen from the alcohol to form R prime OH. Okay, so R2 prime O will replace the O prime. Okay, faham ya? Boleh beza? Okay, kita bagi example baru nampak. Okay, first you have methyl 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, butanoate. Okay, now you have methyl butanoate react with 1, 2, 3, 4 2 butanol. Okay, methyl butanoate react with 2 butanol. Okay, methyl at the methyl side, okay, will eliminate and will be combined with the hydrogen from alcohol. So it will become a methanol. Okay, so tempat methyl ni tadi digantikan oleh alkohol yang baru. Okay, so dia akan jadi 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so dia akan jadi sek butal. Okay, butanoate. Sek butanoate. Mana datang ni? Datang daripada sini. Just replace je. Okay, replace sahaja tempat dia. Okay. So this reaction we call as trans-esterification. Means from methyl butanoate, you react with the alcohol, you form a sek butal butanoate. Okay, a new ester. Okay, a new ester. So that's all for chapter 7. Okay, for chapter 7, ester. So please do a quizzes that I put at your GC. Okay, so thank you.